Hello and welcome to the Blue Oval Car Barn. I think lightning's about to strike in the same place twice. I've actually sold a car. I told my wife that I would sell some of my cars and get down to about 30 or 40 cars by the time I was 70 years old. I've got about 10 months, so I've got to get busy. I've got about 30 or 40 cars to sell, maybe more than that. This is the first one. A good story here. This is a 68 base Cougar 427 GTE. Very rare, very powerful car. In Madeira blue, turquoise interior, it's a beautiful car. The original owner of this car bought the car in New Jersey, subsequently sold the car. The car went through several owners. I ended up with it. It was involved in a lengthy restoration. Several people worked on this car. It has actually been a big pain in the ass, but we finally got it right. We've had to take the engine out 2 or 3 times. We've had a lot of trouble with it, but we've got it right now. This is a beautiful car, performs well, runs well. It's perfect. The original owner went to the Cougar Club. The Cougar Club contacted me, actually the original owner's son. We started a dialogue. He flew in and looked at it and drove it and has decided to buy it. The car's going back to North Carolina to the original owner's son. He's buying the car to keep it in the family and pass it down to his son. That's the sort of story I want to be involved with. That's the kind of buyer I want to be involved with. That's actually the kind of ending I would like to see for most of my cars. I know I can't hope for that, but I'm looking for you. I'm looking for people that want my cars, that'll take care of them, not people that are going to buy them and just spend them and make $30,000 or $40,000 on it. I'm not looking for that guy. So if you're looking for one of my cars, give me a call. We'll try to make a deal, but be sure it's for you and you're interested in the legacy and taking care and taking custody of the car for the future. If not, they'll just continue to sit here. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing y'all at the car barn. 68 Cougar GTE, base Cougar, not an XR7, Madeira blue, going to North Carolina. Jimmy, I hope you and your family love this car and take care of it forever. Thank you very much. I'll post a few pictures of it now. Out of here from the car barn, Finley Ledbetter. Thank you.